I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. If not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first person to watch. Akosua Serwaa's lawyer Akosua, has something to say. Lawyer Akosua has come to expose the judge that gave the final judgment between Odobroni and Akosua Serwaa. Lawyer Akosua has said so many things in which he was being interviewed. He brought out a lot of things. So without not wasting my time, let's listen to him.
First of all, clients and say no what to say emotionally. No what to say.
Yes, so I don't initially not difficult for her, but I said yeah. As I can accept accept the situation is here, move on. She's okay.
Right. Yeah, that's the same no so. Now, and come be a street in so Ghana for need be a do abruchera to say nipa ni be worried. And it's lawyer could see why yet the service to Mami Akosua Serwaa, all because based on the rule by a judge and say more documents are more tender and for the right procedure. A dear na judge in the part na other now yes lawyer.
That's actually for you answer. Like you know, now you say court Akosua Serwaa because we are under ordinance. Now ordinance marriage should they prove a certificate. And I record to so now judgment in the and Yama watch being up to me the here pan so say yeah certified certificate no. And you are due to man. But the year you I think that's the summary of a decision. And you know, a money our dear and that's all and your dance. A man in I hear in Domina Kutikuna. That's what she said. The ocean certification of documents now section 161 of the Evidence Act and they provided for. Okay. Since I would create a brochure official signature also. Also certify that country now signature also no Ghana embassy. Now cost certified. To your man 7 by. I be the 7. Once I may apply for injunction.
Right. Yeah.
I know court and council review injunction, but pursue dear 7 and Sunny in Sunny Bay.
Yeah.
Or granted injunction of any effect. No my timetable. And in total, she gave us 5 days to finish with the case. And I'm here Fally and Kraten Anna the starting group. And members of the Carter Sunday. And he applied to Ghana embassy in Germany. Say a certified certificate, you know, they received it, they emailed you, acknowledge receipt. I'm so hear from them. And then my client to Germany, some fan call German embassy for certification. You know, because I haven't ever buy it. And the idea is we draw judging attention to that fact. They told me, you know, you subpoena an officer of the German embassy to give expert evidence. And so the fan so subpoena and so call and them say 2 days or 3 days. Experts number you draw judging attention. Yes, so me prime so because I found it because of diplomatic immunity to from Almond time back. Any dear son, na dear son, your premier dear reason in here. Over section 161, subsection 1, subsection 2, and subsection 3. Subsection 3 necessary a basse ni pane per certification no wanya na say adanse or say or pen wanya judging admitum no akohwehwem tio and it is under the subsection 3 that we tendered the document, she admitted it. And also all decided no do we do not say or no there. In fact, or can't say we know on your comfort or can say document is quite fake in free Germany. Or Sunday no crack home.
Whoa.
So in baby and yan in free Germany. But to me, how would that it profit me say international case? I'm call action no go to photocopies of fake documents. I want to Ghana And him say Lumba, Ewari Akosua Serwaa or Germany. In fact, second defendant, the witness of friend, or say Lumba na to Nanum Kacheno. I'm now alleged marriage, second defendant, no. Umbisa no so my worry, Germany, but I think Pansam. And look, the evidence that was led in court was not doubtful. For the judge to say, she be woman say, Wama warinti, document me too many. But they have a defendant now, did you say Wawari or Germany?
Right, but lawyer,
based on that document, yes.
Based on our experience, our law field, a judge, I will be there attending a document. Minyesho so okubona mani baby I would West bit in buying. So what catch a document ni fake, Send it one kasa who see here was say a judge I would yes and what we cast document. Me because document near the buy, more family book be and no more certificate. We had already tendered the certificate, not so for original. Same copy, same seal, same signature, or sadena. Parties in me signature in Ghana the NTF. Minia Ghana law determined German law. Debbie. So in this case,
in Germany is a register who is issued a certificate.
That's right.
Who assign. Wow. And how can you look at a certificate and say because a Berman or band signature in a fake? Actually, she was motivated by something different from the law to come to that conclusion. And it's appealing,
Right.
I mean, apart from certificate, there are several evidences. Can you believe, sir, second defendant? Dear dance, say, or the photo by photo, never will be left hand the ato the chest. So, I'm a copromotino, Akodi left instead of right. I demonstrated in the court. She was silent. She didn't even talk about it.
Photo editing in the court.
Yes.
Court now, secret yes. Fake, Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
I know the one who's a fake. And you obviously know I know put be the channel. Otherwise, it is sad to hear those commentaries.
Kafrao, me krata bi wa ha free Republic of Ghana Judicial Service. It's about notarying of documentations. Yes, on the 3rd day of November. Sir, we know mudi notarize which document?
All the documents, in fact, we are the coin block. And now, be free, say those ones, German documents, don't you notarize it. And all other documents, power of attorney, and all other things, the nationality, they were notarized. And I'm the player back.
So,
but the argument is that we didn't make an effort. I want to prove to them that we did more than necessary. Because if you say time did you procure those things, but the law under section 1613 permits that. It's permissible in law. So
because it seems that judge ruling a pinch you against the public and they say why you shoddy work for your client based on that direction what the man will say one fan for the right procedure. And then I mean say right procedure no person what they say right procedure bear because now from the judicial service
certified. Yes.
Also one year the one certification I'm free here which Germany or Ghana?
I'm free Germany. When you say I call German in Ghana, and I'm sure my say at the time I do none of the Akosua Serwaa no baby uncle.
Yeah, I
can't.
It was a letter and so has so.
Yes.
So
yeah, they call almost certified high in Germany. So all of them were sent to Germany for certification. Am I? Can I force the German government to release it immediately? Do I even have the capacity to do that? And we drew the judge's attention. And under section 1613, it is permissible. And Kafura, judgment not judge, I disagree. And I think no popular on the action.
So, Mami Musa, letter your free German embassy to affirm, say yes, there was a marriage. Your friend Akosua Serwaa. Are you saying that this letter still a crater and your fake free German embassy?
It is from German embassy. They attach a copy of the certificate to it from their own system. It's from German embassy. It's verifiable. It's verifiable. So, but the judge chose to say all of them are fake. Now, said, will be my judgment as to mean Casa.
So
Exactly. Now,
adia ba ko ye warrant kakra wa you say ye tie case a we call court on behalf of your client na ye case na ne say me ko busa court to say or after me say me na me ye only wife not to contest with any other person or why the be kuna then na case move from me fact na your person ye establish in the court say after the me akrama judge na say ono an kasa discretion no after the yemiem na we nye kuna but enye no say nye kuna so ntina mo court na
there be an ancillary relief. It was an ancillary relief to we as fraud, you know. And the upper saw you know why. And then appeal court or no. The answer your call. So judges me and son him. No more hesitating, and answer that we were right in law.
But in one case, meaning so appeals court. Sometimes the judge's discretionary authority will be putting my own tender in further evidence. Case we know. Say what corner ya mark.
In fact, now can be said you bet the idea Arsenal's better abonting. But like you are saying, there's a way to do it, and we intend to explore that one.
Okay. Now, Minoka say there's a billboard that shows say on the 13th of December, church calls for Sueke that the Lumba ye basso. Often say,
minimum has some, and in fact, do show me case now. My uncle said me go year some. Our seminam cocaine.
Okay.
And to be for our seminam here is not within. Doesn't lie in my mouth to speak to it.
But they say no, our client no. In fact, one day the middle of the conversation, no, about say oh your court case no, you no so betimi aba ye ni bia na.
Without this over.
Without one.
Third time, for her to prepare.
But German citizens know what German at the release be about Bonti on what say. On the data, more court no, not as Kosovo so nye Ghana ni or a German citizen. So they are also proposing say they will challenge that the Lumba ni citizens' authenticity. Say even Ghana government does not have the jurisdiction to pronounce anything to a more petition the German embassy say German government should come in. What yes ask me how fun say.
Who's a petition be security so many 9,000 something people. Meaning no they are. Say Ramano ye will be a friend or be domiciliary. Baby out here. Over conflict of law.
Okay.
Usually in the case of Lumba, he was living in Ghana at the time of his death. He had his businesses here, had his children here. And even though he was a German national, he has his domicile here in Ghana. And the Bassa Ghana money DNA near and nothing action now. Yam for Hokra. We didn't even pass there because I want to not strength any Hokasi. Beyond dispute, nobody has disputed the fact that he was a German national. What is an issue is whether or not the laws of Ghana can govern his estate and and the law, to my understanding, is yes.
Lawyer, Mami Usawo said the society in trust, especially team legal wife, most of legalized married women no na omani je on their way. But it seems baby yadui and nam decision a free court to buy anything. Nipa bebre no one kasa no wabamo bu case ya obi akire ana wabamo bu ana.
Me dem abamu mu ba kokra ba omo bo mi so ma say me law na me die na me da. So and where judges write judgments as though somebody didn't even speak in court. So you can't send your Quran, you misa, Osha judgment man. Obakasa Busha prepare a misa question. What do I say? Obakasa wa contradicting ho. Obakasa any evidence and here say, read judgment, but that is what it is. He contracted himself severally, he gave all his evidence was hearsay. You get the point. But who really judgment because any man you are called. Thank God, sir. Your cross examination that baby out. So, and it even showed the confidence of people. So with these questions and answers there, I could see winning. And the lawyer near not really lawyer now, but last I was admonishing lawyers who were making negative comments. Go and take the proceedings and read the full test. Now who say near and I see any don't say that I that is the judge.
But
yeah,
I mean, that's right. But and now there's another lawyer be US no can say. Other than a lawyer now, a lawyer no Mama Akosua and him say case now they call court no fancy bullet crowd now they call face no enough. A bit say I mean certification now one call for stay of execution for I mean now call say Tintina who could yes because who say what should be Germany and buy and I will call you. Then now yes, I'll call you.
See, I'm not number one.
So there's a
number
law,
two. Sir, number two. You call injunction. Yeah, near person community a share to a year so. Now you decide who the spouse will be. So an injunction on Yajuma.
He has spoken and he has brought out so many utterances and so many things that he thinks. One thing I have to let Lawyer Kisi understand that you have to back his case with authentic facts, because in law, we don't deal with emotions, we deal with facts and original documents. So Lawyer Kisi to sit down with Akosua Serwaa so that they can bring out all the petitions, every document that they need, but without not bringing authentic certificate and also document that is very genuine. They should forget about it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you another time.